Today we're going to learn Algebra Introductions. Okay, so we are to learn how to manipulate these algebra equations. Let's say you have a over b for the x power of c over d plus e minus f equal to g. Okay, no need to worry, even though it looks complicated. So this is the complete example on how to manipulate the algebraic equations in order to make the x as a subject. From here you can see that here involve plus, minus, times, divide, power and roots. So means that it involves all the algebra manipulations already. So now let's see how we can manipulate these algebra equations so that we can make x as a subject. In order to solve these problems, first what you can do is you can move all the additions and the subtractions process to the right hand side. Okay, means that you can move the e to the right hand side, so positive will become negative. Okay, and then the negative f you also can move to the right hand side. Okay, so that's why positive will become the negative. Okay, I repeat again. So what you can do is you're going to move the positive to the right hand side so that it become negative, and then the negative to the right hand side so that it become positive. Okay, so this is the first steps. So now what you have is a over b for the x power of c over d equivalent to g minus e plus f, where the positive become negative, negative become positive. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to focus on how to manipulate the multiplications and also the divisions. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the multiplications from the left hand side to right hand side, so and also the division from the left hand side to right hand side. So in these cases, right, you will notice that, right, g minus e plus f remain unchanged, right, but for the a over b, when you move to the right hand side, you can see that it will upside down, means that the division will become multiplications and then the multiplication will become the divisions. So now you have x power of c over d equivalent to g minus e plus f, close the bracket, okay, multiply with b over a. In these cases you must understand that the most important step for this step is that the division become multiplications and the multiplication become divisions, upside down already. Okay, upside down already. Then the last thing we are going to do is, right, we are going to manipulate the c over d here, means that the power of c and the root of the d. So if you want to move, right, if you want to move the power and the root to the right hand side, what you will notice is the power of the, right, you will see that the power and the root will be upside down, means that the root will become the power will become the root. See or not, it will be upside down. Okay, and then other things remain unchanged, right? So finally what you get is you get x equal to b over a bracket g minus e plus f, close bracket and close the larger bracket, d power of d over c. So in these lessons what you're going to learn is whenever you move the positive and negative to the right hand side, it will exchange. Positive will become negative, negative become positive. Okay, so whenever you move the multiplication and divisions to the right hand side, you will see that it will also upside down, means that the division become multiplication, but multiplication become the divisions. And finally, when you want to move the power of c over the root of the d to the right hand side, you can see that they will also upside down, where the root of the d become power, the power of the c become the roots. Okay, so that's all for today's lessons. Okay, please let me know in the message that what you are interested to learn in the next lessons, so that I might consider it for the following lessons lah. Okay, so if you like my videos, remember to subscribe to my channel, share the video, turn on the notification and like the videos. So for any online inquiries, you may contact me via this email address. Okay, that's all for today's lessons. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you on the next lessons. Okay, have a nice day and bye bye.